This is, oh, there it goes. This is a 25-plus-year-old Christmas tree. Hopefully you could hear me over the saw. It's getting a little bit too close to the house, so as you can see. I can remember when we planted that tree, my dad put we put mice, dead mice, underneath it. Yeah, when we planted this as a baby tree, we planted a whole bunch of mice underneath it. And look at it. It's crazy. That's what you get out of a tree when you use mice, dead mice as fertilizer. Gonna go. Oh, a couple wedges. Poor little Christmas tree. Oh shit, get out of the way. I shouldn't laugh. Holy fuck.
That's what not to do.
Yeah, what not to do. You're gonna be on one of those videos. That's why it was worth it to take it down before that thing turned into a monster. Cause holy shit, that was heavy on the top. Should I cut the video now? Probably no, I won't cut it now. Holy geez. He's gonna have to go up on the second roof. Oh, it's so heavy up there. Wow. Oh, Zach's got it on video. Uh-oh. Now Steve's gonna be pissed. I don't know what's his plan now. Just didn't even make it that far.
It went exactly where it wanted to go.
It's a whole widowmaker. Go help move some of those branches. Just watch out for that thing, eh? No. Oh yeah, I should show that. Tree fell and clobbered the house. There's a video of... I come up here, I'm not even filming that. Holy! Sure must have been top heavy, eh? Yeah. Wow. I don't know what to do now. Almost got to go. Almost got to go up on the deck up there on that roof.
Yeah, and follow it in the middle.
You think we should get a ladder? I think he's on the wrong side of it. That's dangerous. Jump out of the way! Jump out of the way! That looks sketchy. Oh, get ready to run there. What's going down? Oh, we need a rope on it. I don't think it's going to go very fast. I don't even know if that saw is sharp that he's got. It just wants to drop, eh?
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go straight.
There was one like this up at the top, and it kept. Yeah, when you got a Widowmaker like this, it's kind of hard to.
Yeah.
At least it's not like a monster. It looks like it just wants to slide nice and slow off of there. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, come on, baby, look out! Watch out! Get out of the way! Hey!
It rolled on the
Wow! What a bugger that one was! No. Oh yeah,
That's all that broke.
it did dent a piece right there. Oh, what?
Rolled way past it.
Good, missed the canoe. That's a nice canoe.
Barely dented the roof.
Yeah, it did take that one little dent there, right? Surprised that saw hasn't ran out of gas yet. It wasn't very full. Oh, he's got a lot of branches in the way there.
Yeah, I knew I should have got the branches off.
Kind of gonna go back up and look at the view now. A lot more space here. Well, it had a good ending. It was a little sketchy for a bit there.
The last cut was sketchy.
Yeah, at least it wasn't too fast.
I think it's kind of good it was leaning not bad.
You think?
The big snow load that could have come over it.
Yeah, with that, imagine if that fell with snow.
Oh yeah, that would be
Let the boys clear the branches, eh? Just do. You want to run the saw? The saw? Oh, okay. Well, it'll probably run out of gas in it pretty soon. I'm quite surprised that it's still going. I had a good half a tank. Whole bunch of branches for you to toss.
That's probably from one of your first Christmases.
Yeah, first Christmas, one of the first Christmases, that's right, at this property. It was a tiny Christmas tree. It was about a foot tall. And we put the Christmas tree on top of a bar stool, and then we surrounded the bar stool with presents. So it looked like a huge tree, but it was actually only 1 foot tall. And that's how big it was, yeah. was your friend coming in? Huh? Oh, I could have swore I heard some bass.
I doubt it, but
Go see if you want. I thought I could hear a stereo. I think his friend's supposed to visit him.
oh.
He was saying. Oh, there you go. This is all usable for him. I bet he'd want to keep it. Some sort of artsy. No? Kind of it for a YouTube video. Probably boring now. Quite the drop right there. And it went like that and dented a whole bunch of little dents along there. And one big crash right there. And then boom, down. Probably wasn't that heavy at the top though, when you think of it. I don't think it would have. That's it.